Hey everyone! Welcome back to Quiz Universe. Ready for today's game? We're diving into the world of Mario for a Find the Odd One Out challenge. Super Mario Edition. Let's see how sharp your observation skills are with 15 epic levels. Hit that subscribe button so you're always in the loop, and let's get started. Let's kick things off. Find the odd Mario emoji. Boom! Found it right here. Spot the one that's just a little different. Nice! The odd emoji is in this spot. Ready for a character reveal? Guess who's hiding? It's Princess Peach. You nailed it! Find the out-of-place one. Got it! Here's the odd one. Which emoji stands out from the crew? There it is, the odd emoji in all its glory. Emoji clue time. Who's this character? Goomba, you're on fire. Which Goomba doesn't belong? Found it right here. Spot the unique one. There it is. Great job. Who could this be? Toad? That's another point for you. Can you find the quirky Toad emoji? Yep, it's right here. Nice work. Which one's looking different? You got it. Odd emoji right here. One of these isn't like the others. Find it. Sharp eyes. Nailed it. Emoji clue. Who is it? Luigi, Mario's green-tastic bro. Find the odd emoji that doesn't match. Got it right here. Spot the Luigi that's a bit off. Found it. You're a true pro. Thanks for joining today's challenge. Drop your score in the comments and let us know how many you got right. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our upcoming challenges. See you in the next video. Bye.